Welcome everyone.
My name is Fatma.
And my name is your precious beautiful Maliha.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we went to a national flower exhibition in a park and it was really beautiful, so we decided why not to share it with you guys.
We explored nature's variety of flowers, which I'm not truly inspired by, but I'm gonna act like I am.
Why? They were really beautiful and had a variety of them. Like some flowers were some that I didn't even know.
I agree to that because you don't literally study in your class. But let's ignore that because I literally love the flowers, but I'm not inspired by them at all.
Why? So we also saw some mushroom houses, and this is the school that sponsored or raised funding for this event.
Let's give a guess. I think they sponsored the event, not the funding.
I think funding, because why would they sponsor it? So in Pakistan, there are basically this event happens for like a week. First day is for the people who are in army, and the second and the rest of the week is for the people like locals, for us.
So basically, these kind of annual exhibitions are to make people explore the nature's true kind and
promote
flowers.
Beauty. Yes.
This flower was not even pretty at all. It looks like it's a sarawa sunflower.
No, it looked like a possessed flower. Like you can see a smile on its face, but it's like it's burnt with something.
I know, right? It seems pretty creepy.
Scary, to be honest.
I would never buy that flower.
See, these are also yellow, but they're really pretty. Not that pretty, but prettier than those flowers.
They look like jalawa popcorn.
Yes, but pila.
Yeah.
So butter.
Guys, English is not our first language, but we're still speaking it more than Urdu.
Now you can see the competition between nature and an irresponsible person, aka my sister Maliha.
I'm not irresponsible, guys. You need to comment who's irresponsible because I just broke a flower and you're using it.
Yes, you are. You broke it. It's against the rules, girl. You just broke it for a photo.
My life, my rules, my attitude.
But this is the park, not your home, girl.
So basically, one thing not many people know about us is probably the flowers. You can see the red and white flowers and also the blue and pink and purple ones. We used to own them in our gallery, but we sold them and some of them were rotten as well.
Some of them died because we didn't know that they needed a lot of sunlight and it was like 24 hours. So that's why.
So this is our second year in this exhibition. Last year we came here, these same decorations were present and I think they just reused it like any other birthday party at a desi house.
Yes, but I think last year was way prettier because they had more flowers than this year.
And the Ferris wheel things were way larger.
Yes, last time they had like the whole park decorated, but this time it was just a certain area decorated.
I guess they had shortage of nature this time.
But this time they also added some swords and some like mushroom stuff.
And this year I'm gonna tell you one secret that we saw. This year was a more bigger variety. Last year they just put like pink, white
flowers.
And same flowers everywhere. This time you could see more flowers everywhere.
Yeah.
Like these yellow and white ones, we are not seeing this for the second time. In fact, for this exhibition it was our first time seeing it.
Like each step you take, you're gonna see a new flower of a new kind.
And we also saw a group of Uncle G's doing yoga.
Yes, that laughing exercise that typical uncles do. Like
I mean, like, why do you guys have to laugh on everything, even a small, simple dad joke?
Yes, I'm going to show it to you someday. This flower is so ethereal, like, bro.
Her new favorite word is definitely lethal. And what did you just say?
Ethereal.
I guess she's more Gen Alpha than me, even though I'm the Gen Alpha.
That flower's bones looked like it had bones.
It felt like roots, I guess.
These are mini oranges. I wanted to pluck them, but my father was saying this is mini oranges, even though I see some green ones, so I thought they were lime.
And we would have to grow this more.
Yes, they look like mini oranges.
And we are not responsible at all.
From this side, it looks like lemons.
We don't even charge our own iPads ourselves. How are we supposed to do this? I mean, yes, you do, but I'm not a responsible kid at all.
This is another mushroom house, and this is the mushroom.
At first, I thought it was a place. This place, we thought it was somewhere you could buy it all. Like the flowers could be purchased, but it was not.
It was just a decoration.
Guys, look at my walk. I'm gonna give you a walk.
She tried to do a model walk that looks like a 5-year-old running.
I look like Chacha Chaggan. So watch your father do the same walk as we give a final goodbye to all of you. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Take care.